Blue president. Keep it 100, nigga, none that's I got you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I am going to simply do a wash and go with these products. The S Curl, so we have the S Curl No Drip, and we also have the S Curl Gel. And yeah, so let's get into the video. Let's get into this product. I've been hearing a lot of good things about it, and I just want to try to see how good it is and to just go from there. So let me just take this out. Y'all want to do my hair? Because I'm tired. You know, I gotta let this lay for a second, and I'm gonna come back to review how it is and let y'all know how it goes. Okay, so give me a couple of seconds. So let me just take this off and kind of give you guys Okay, so I can tell you guys that this is gonna be in my regimen. Who? Eco who? Baby. Eco couldn't do this. she couldn't do this for me. My hands are non-sticky. Literally everything that is said is not going to drip is not dripping. Still waiting for it to completely dry, so I'll have a video at the end to show you guys what it looks like. Let me not lie, I'm not going to do that, but there will be pictures posted on my Instagram that you guys can see, so just follow my Instagram. The link is going to be in the comments area. Just for only $7, my hair is literally moisturized still after doing this wet and go. So you guys need to go get it, and also subscribe to your girl and look out for more videos. Bye.